Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use data roaming in Android. First, open your phone's settings and find the Network and Internet or Connections menu. Then, tap on Mobile Network and toggle on the data roaming option. It's a simple switch, but remember to check your carrier's rates beforehand to avoid unexpected bills. This ensures you can stay connected while traveling abroad. Understanding the costs associated with data roaming is crucial. Standard roaming rates can be quite expensive, sometimes costing several dollars per megabyte. Many carriers offer international roaming packages that provide a set amount of data for a fixed price, which is usually a much better value. Alternatively, purchasing a local SIM card upon arrival can offer significant savings, especially for extended stays. This is where the magic happens, infusing our teriyaki with its signature flavor. Take the reserved mustard oil, which is now rich with onion essence, and gently pour it over the slightly cooled yellow rice. Add the crispy fried onions and salt to your liking. Using a spatula, mix everything slowly and carefully. The goal is to coat each grain of rice evenly with the oil and onions without breaking them. Before you even leave, take a few essential steps. Call your mobile carrier to confirm data roaming is enabled on your account and to understand their specific international plans. Ask about data limits and any charges for exceeding them. Also, download offline maps, music, and videos before your trip. This can significantly reduce your reliance on mobile data and help you save money while enjoying your travels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.